Gekko and the Super Ninjalinos.
Whoa! Your bike's super shiny, Amaya.
Thanks, Connor. Gotta look our best at the park for sports day.
Yeah, we're all getting fit and strong. Of course, I'm pretty strong already. Look at this!
What's that?
I'm gonna let it loose. Whatever it is. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Greg?
Oh, thanks. I was really pushing hard on that door.
Never mind, Greg. We were happy to help. And you're much stronger at night.
Yeah, I'd definitely be able to open a shed door when I'm Gekko. And I wouldn't need any help.
Hey, we'd better head to the park if we're going to sports day.
Oh, yeah. That's why I went into the shed, to get my bike. Some sports day exercise will make me daytime strong in no time. Oops. Sports day's been canceled.
Huh?
No. Oh. All our gears disappeared.
Disappeared?
Yes! Bikes, balls, skipping ropes, everything! We're going home.
Oh. Now how am I going to get strong in the daytime?
Don't worry. You'll be strong tonight, Greg.
And then we'll find out where that sports equipment's gone. PJMasks, we're on our way!
Into the night to save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Connor becomes
Catboy!
Amaya becomes
Owlette! Yeah!
Greg becomes
Gekko! The PJMask!
That's where the city's sports gear was stored.
But now it's all gone.
Whoever took it made a big mistake. I'm Gekko, and they're going to find out just how super strong I am. To the Gekko-Mobile! Slithering serpents! Just let me get at that villain!
Cat ears! I hear something! That way!
I recognize those voices. You don't know, but you'll be told. Ninjalino should be big and bold.
Night Ninja!
His Ninjalinos have got all the sports gear!
Well, hello, PJMasks.
Give that equipment back, Night Ninja!
Daytime kids need it.
I need it, you mean, for my Super Ninjalinos. They're getting stronger and stronger. Soon, I'll even be able to teach them my amazing ninja moves.
They'll never be as strong as me.
Let's save our sports day!
I'll take it from here, guys. Wriggling reptiles! Give me back that bike! The daytime kids need it. Whoa! Whoa! Huh? What? Stop it! Ow! Whoa!
Wow! Those Ninjalinos have gotten strong!
Yes, they're almost ready for me to practice against. Almost, I said. For now, on to the next training area. Page turn.
Nice try, Gekko. But we need a plan that uses all three of us.
No, those Ninjalinos are tiny. I must be stronger than them. Come on!
See? This is perfect. When the Ninjalinos come, I'll trap them.
I suppose that could work.
Of course it will, because of my super strength. Watch this!
Are you sure we can't help, Gekko? I'm fine.
This plane is all about my super strength.
You guys just stand back.
Ahem, straw. Not bad. It really won't be long until you can practice against me.
Hey, night, Ninja! I bet your Ninjalinos can't beat me in a flex-off. Beat that!
Ninjalinos, catch that lizard and show him your super strong moves.
Super Gekko camouflage. Gotcha. Super Gekko muscle!
Yes, that's super strength!
Oh, you PJMasks are exhausting. Jump, Super Ninjalinos!
Whoa! We'll help, Gekko!
No, I'm fine. I'm super strong.
Gekko! It really does seem like we ninjas do this strong thing better than you.
Don't worry, Gekko. We've got this.
No, I've got this. Want someone strong to practice with, Night Ninja? Well, here I come!
Oh, please. I can beat you with one finger. This one, Super Ninjalinos. Get him!
Gekko! We're coming! Whoa!
Oh, look, a new piece of sports equipment. Whoa! Yeah! Put me down! Well done, Ninjalinos. And you're getting stronger and stronger. Soon, you'll be able to beat anyone in the world. Apart from me, of course. Whoa! Gekko!
Are you all right?
No, I've messed everything up. I just wanted to show you how strong I was.
But we know that.
Now we'll never get the sports equipment back. I should have just let you help me. Now the Super Ninjalinos are so strong that no one can stop them.
Especially all together.
That's it! The Ninjalinos are stronger when they're together, but so are we. It's time to be a hero, and I've got a plan.
I looked around like Gekko said and found this old broken skipping rope. You?
This broken bike. But that was it.
I've got this burst beach ball. Come on!
That's it, Ninjalinos. Nice and cozy.
Hey, Ninjalinos! There's still some sports gear you don't have.
Who want that old junk? You would? Oh well, go on then. It'll be easy now you're so super strong.
You are strong, but not if we do this!
Now that there aren't so many of you, you're a lot weaker.
What?
Here comes some more, Gekko!
And now the last of them. Super Owl Wings!
Stop! Stop! practicing against them. Not you, PJMasks. Okay, your turn then. Go on, Ninjalinos. You can finally practice with Night Ninja. Not all at once.
Quick, grab the sports gear.
Stop it, Ninjalinos. I don't want to practice now.
Without their sports stuff, they'll soon lose their super strength.
If they don't use it all up on Night Ninja first. PJMasks all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day!
Purple. White. Yellow. Orange. Red. Yellow. Green. Blue. Pink. Red. Blue. Green. Yellow. White. Orange. Pink. Orange. Yellow.